G'day everyone, how you going? I'm Benno, welcome to the shed again. Today we're just going to get back onto these this door card. See if we can't cover that up with something and make it look half reasonable. Try and mount this stuff, see if that works before I do anything else. So I'm going to use this stuff, pretty good contact adhesive. We just need to give that a good shaking. That should do it. Give it a go and see what happens, see if I can cock it up. So with this stuff, spray it on both surfaces, foam surfaces and the timber surface. Let it go off a bit, let it get tacky, and then with luck it'll just stick in place. Probably bought way more of this material than I need, but I'd rather have way too much than not enough. I'll just let that sit for a little bit and we'll come back to it. And that's not too bad. These corners could be a bit nicer. Grease on it. How do I get fucking grease on it? And that's not too bad. These corners could be a bit nicer. I'm an amateur. So the original bit of soft stuff underneath there is starting to come away a little bit. So I'll just drop a little bit of glue in there. Let that get tacky, and I'll stick that down. One on the other side here too. Just a little bit there. Let that get tacky. Stick that down. That's fine. That's not a problem. So that's all stuck there quite nicely now. So just a little bit more plush on the armrest. Alright, so this is gonna go on. Let that set up for a little while. It's come up reasonably well. Sort of happy. It's not too bad. Have a look at this. So it's not getting completely installed just yet. All of these window runners, all this stuff, shine light, that's all going to be done. It's got a brand new inner window sill. The window regulator, motor, and all of these window runners, they're all coming out. They're going to get either cleaned up or replaced. I'm not quite sure yet. And I've got to make up some plastic to go in underneath this so it doesn't get destroyed again. Well, not in a hurry anyway.